Assalamualaikum my dear students, hopefully you'll be fine. This English language tutorial for grade 3. The day is Monday and the date is 29th March 2021. So now let's get started. Today we are going to continue Unit 6, that is Dinosaurs, and you will be needing Lesson 5 Baby Dinosaurs, Learner's Book page 84 to 86. And by the end of this tutorial, you will be able to read about fossil discovery and you will write answers in your own words. Let's have previous knowledge questions. Number 1, what are fossils? And number 2, what is a discovery? So now let's start reading about an amazing fossil discovery. So before starting the discussion, you should know what are fossils. Fossils were made when a dead dinosaurs were buried under mud or sand. After a long time, the mud or sand turned into rock. There are two types of fossils. Number 1, the body fossils. Body fossils are basically are made of the body parts of the dead dinosaurs or leftover body parts of dinosaurs. And what are trace fossils? Trace fossils are made from the things that a dinosaur left behind. It can be footprints or their nest. So now let's read about fossil discovery. We are on Learner's Book, page 84. An amazing fossil discovery. In 1978, John Honor, an American dinosaur expert, made an exciting discovery. He found a group of dinosaurs' nests filled with fossil eggs and dinosaur babies. It was a wonderful chance for scientists to learn about the life of baby dinosaurs. The first nest that Dr. Honor discovered had 15 baby dinosaurs. Each dinosaur was nearly a meter long. The bones of an adult dinosaur were near the nest. Dr. Honor could tell that the babies were not new babies because their teeth were worn down. They had been eating food for quite a while. Their mother must have brought food to them in the nest, just as mother birds feed their babies today. Dr. Arnold named the new dinosaur Myosaurus. The name means good mother dinosaur. In another nest, Dr. Arnold found smaller babies that had just hatched. Their legs were too weak to walk. Dr. Honor and his team discovered more nests and bones. They called the place Egg Mountain because they found more nests and bones over there. They gathered lots of clues about how the dinosaurs lived. Come back to Learner's Book, page 85. Our mother Myosaurus was about as big as a bus and as heavy as an elephant. She was too heavy to sit on her eggs. She would break them. Probably the mother Myosaur put leaves and dirt on the top of the eggs to keep them warm. When the eggs hatched, the mother would bring leaves and berries to her hungry babies. Myosaurs were plant-eating dinosaurs. The babies stayed in the nest for several months, growing bigger and stronger. Dr. Honor found the nest of another kind of dinosaur on Egg Mountain. This dinosaur was a small meat-eating dinosaur called Troodon. The Troodon probably tried to steal the little Myosaur babies to feed to their own babies. Life would be dangerous for baby Myosaur. Come back to Learner's Book, page 86. In 1984, Dr. Honor and other scientists made another discovery. Near Egg Mountain, they found a giant bone bed with the bones of hundreds of Myosaurs. There were bones of grown-up Myosaurs and bones of young Myosaurs. The smallest bones were from Myosaurs about 1 year old. And there was some question that came in the scientist's mind. Why were there so many dinosaurs in one place? Dr. Honor wondered. And why did they all die at the same time? The scientists looked for clues. Then they think that the Myosaurs were traveling in a big group like sheep or deer do today. Clues showed that a volcano had erupted and killed all the dinosaurs and other animals living in that area. So this was a fossil discovery. Now time to do some written work. Now prepare the page for the written work. Write down date, classwork, day. Draw two-finger gap margin line. Write down the topic and focus. And today we are going to do 3 questions. Who were plant-eating dinosaurs? As we have discussed already that Myosaurs were plant-eating dinosaurs. Question 2. How did Myosaurs feed their babies? So we have discussed in the discovery that Myosaurs mothers feed their babies with berries and leaves. And question 3. How did Myosaurs keep their eggs warm? So for finding out the answer, you can go through the text and find the answers. So today's task is that you have to do reading from Learner's Book page 84 to 86, and then you will do question number 1, 2 and 3 in notebook, in English language notebook, and remember that written work should be neatly done. So this was the end of tutorial. Hopefully it will help you while doing the work. Stay safe, take care, and Allah Hafiz.